So in this session we are going to address these four business questions by using aggregation methods along with conditions, right? So the first business question is to identify number of data entries for chairs. So we can consider this row as one data entry as it says chairs. So instead of doing or counting this manually, what we can do is we can write a function. It's called COUNTIF. Okay, when you select this you are going to see the syntax, right? Range, you have to select a range, and criteria. The range is going to be your column P, so select this, then we'll have a comma, and then you have to specify the criteria. So my criteria is chairs. Okay, now to address the second question, so we have to identify total number of chairs sold. So we have the quantity field here, right? Instead of using SUMIF, I am going to now use SUMIFS because I want to add a criteria that comes from another column, right? So I'm going to use SUMIF, and I'm going to select the quantity range followed by the subcategory range, right? And my subcategory stands in column P, so I'll be selecting P2 until the last record, right? And then I have to specify the condition. Again I'll specify chairs. The next question is to answer the average sales of chairs. The condition was if my sales is less than 100. Okay, so this is the same column. I specify it again, and I am going to provide less than 100 condition, right? Now going to the final business question, we also want to add one more condition to this question, and that new condition is when quantity sold is greater than 5, right? So typically I'll be using the same calculation logic that we wrote, and I'm going to add one more condition to it, and this time my condition belongs to this quantity column, which is S. So I'll specify this, and my condition was greater than 5.